If you need to block someone on Computershare, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure and your information is protected. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Computershare website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section in the menu. This is where you can manage your account preferences. Step 3. Find the blocked users section. Within the account settings, locate the section that allows you to manage blocked users. This may be labeled as privacy settings or blocked contacts. Step 4. Add the user to block. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm the block. After entering the necessary information, confirm the action by clicking the block button. You should receive a notification confirming that the user has been successfully blocked. By following these steps, you can quickly block someone on Computershare and maintain control over your account. If you have any further questions, refer to the help section on the website for additional assistance.